Good morning, children. Next day we will start fraction, the next exercise. So, before starting that exercise, I want to show you some equipment, some fractional equipments which will help you to understand it nicely. Okay. Now, what is this? What is this? You can say it is a circle, you can say it is a one circle, you can say that it is one, whatever it is one. That means it is a complete circle. So many things you can say, but the main thing is it is a complete circle. And in your book, the story is there. I have seen one story is there. Two students are sharing their tiffin. One has not bought. You also read that story, and when you will read this story, you will see that they are dividing their puris into two parts, half parts. Two friends are sharing their puris into half parts. What I can do now? Say this one is half part. It is already written also, check. And this is another half part. That means now I will ask you few questions afterwards from here. So you have to watch it very nicely, very carefully. What I will ask you, if I have divided that complete one into half part, into this way, the half part. Now can you tell me which one is greater? This one is greater or this one is greater? Okay, you will now only all of you are saying that yes ma'am, complete one is always larger than its parts. Complete one, anything which is complete is always greater than its parts. Now that puri, they can divide into in many forms. Now another form is C. I have seen they are dividing into 1/4 part also. They are dividing that one into 1/4 part. 1/4 part in this way. Have you seen? When you will eat chapati today at home, you can start your experiment at home also. These are just like mathematics, what you are eating. You can't eat the complete chapati at a time. You have to tear it. Today you will tear it into 1/4 part. Now tell me boys, this is 1/4, this is another 1/4. Now it has become just half. No, it looks like half. Same, no? See, these two, this is half and this is also half. Is it? Understood? Now, so many interesting things you can make by your own now. Only one, you will take one circular piece of paper and you can make it two parts. Now this one is half and another 1/4, 1/4, 2 1/4 make half, and these two 1/4 also make another half. So what you can see, it was the complete one, the half parts of the two. Now 1/4 parts are four parts of 1/4 are make one. Two half parts are making one. Now if I ask you students, is 1/4 is more than 1? Now it is very easy to give the answer. This one is greater or this one is greater. You will loudly telling me, I know that ma'am, circular portion, that means complete one is greater. Yes, complete one is greater. And this is 1/4 part of this one and this is half part of this one. If I start comparing with this one is greater or this one is greater? Which two are greater? Tell me. Which one is larger one? Yes, now also you are telling, ma'am, this is smaller, this one is greater and this one is smaller. That means if I add these two, 1/4 if I add, that means you will get, that means now you will get this half part. Is it clear? Understood? Now I will show another thing also, another fraction also I want to see. I want to show you another fraction. It will be, it is 1/4 and that will be not half, not 1/4. I want to take 1/3. 1/3. Can I do in the form of 1/3? Can you see? It is 1/3. Okay. Now this is another 1/3. Now you need this also. Now 3 1/3. 3 into 1/3 means actually complete part. 3 into 1/3. Actually the complete part. Now I will show you one extra also. This is also a complete part. Now 3 1/3. 3 1/3 makes a complete part. 2 half makes a complete part. 4 1/4 makes a complete part. Now I want to take 1/10. Before showing you that 1/10, how many of you can give me the answer? How many 1/10 if I take here to make this complete part? Okay. Now see. How many? Here is again that complete part. I have taken it down and I am making this 1/10 part. And you are giving me the answer. How many 1/10 part you need to complete this circle? How many 1/10 part you need to make this circle, complete circle? Now you count and tell me. How many? Yes, 10 1/10 part you need to complete this circle. 10 1/10 part. Want to count? Okay, you can count also. 10th 1/10 part. These are one single part, you know. I am starting from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That means 10 1/10 part makes a complete one. How it is possible? How the mathematics is going on? How? When we are making a complete part, that means I will indicate, I will show it is 1. A complete part means 1. When it is half part, that means how many half parts are there? 2. How many half parts are there? 2. If you cancel these 2, then what will become? Yes, see, again the complete part came. How many 1/4? Each part is 1/4. Here each part is 1/4. How many 1/4 are there? 4 1/4 are there. So it will 4 cancel, again become 1. Here it was 1/3, and how many 1/3 are there? 1/3. How many 1/3 was there? Were there? 3. So it will again complete whole part. 2 half parts make a whole part. 4 1/4 parts make a whole part. 3 1/3 parts make a whole part. And 10 1/10 parts makes a whole part, complete one. That means for that one I am writing 10 1/10 part makes a complete one. Understood? This is again one. And when you will use in your chapati today, when you will eat your chapati today, that circular part, you think about your fractional idea, whatever you have get from this aids, fractional teaching aids. You will use this idea, and when you will now you are at home, you can use your paper also, on your circular paper, with the help of your elder one, and draw to divide it into half parts in this way only, not more than 1/10 part, no need to make, only half and complete. These two you can try with the help of your elder one. Thank you, children.